Today, I'm going to show you how to put an image inside any shape in Canva, quickly and easily. Let's get started. All right, first thing we need is a shape. Go to Elements. In the search bar, type any shape you want. For this example, I'm going to search for a state outline. Now click on Graphics and insert the shape onto your page. Perfect. Right now, this is just a normal graphic, and as you can see, it's filled with a brown color. But I don't want a color. I want to insert an image inside this shape. So we need to convert this shape into a frame. To do that, go to Apps, search for Frame Maker. Open it. If you're a regular viewer of this channel, you already know about this app, because I've created a bunch of tutorials on it. If you're new here, basically this app allows you to create custom frames inside Canva. You can check my other videos later to learn more about it. But today, we're going to use its Convert feature. Now select the Frame option. Click Continue. Next, in the drop-down menu, choose By Color. Now select the color which you want to convert into a frame. Once selected, click Convert Design to Frame. Next, choose Maximum Size. And very important, make sure Transparent Background is selected. Then click Export. And boom, your custom frame is created. Let's close the sidebar. You'll notice the original shape is still behind the frame. You can delete it if you want. Now increase the size and center it properly on the page. Now comes the fun part. Add a photo. Go to Elements, pick any image you like. Drag and drop it directly into the frame. And boom, your image is now perfectly placed inside that custom shape. You can double-click the image to adjust the position, zoom in, or reposition it however you like. And that's it. Now you're not limited to Canva's default frames anymore. You can turn logos, outlines, text shapes, basically anything into a frame. If this video helped you, hit the like button. Subscribe to Repixo for more simple Canva tutorials. And if you want a full tutorial on creating advanced custom frames, let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.